Observations based on a lecture of her Divinity, Mother of Pondicherry, Mira, that she delivered in French in 1926 about the freedom of India. Akhanda Bharata does not necessarily mean one country, but all the countries with cordial relations and many things in common and helping each other. This is Akhanda Bharata that Aurobindo and Mother perfected through their special yoga. Old Indian maps after Radcliffe's poor demarcation of the peninsula and dividing Pakistan and India. 1926 to 2026 is a pause of the period of 100 years. Indications of resolve will start appearing. We will proceed towards another century between 2026 to 2126. Kashmir is resolved and darkness is gone. Though prediction was made in 1926, which is also indicative of half the issue will get resolved by coming 2026 year. Peace is our priority. Do not put hurdles. Bringing hurdles means you are preparing for the severest most punishments from nature. Beware of wrath of nature. This is earned by these two countries and its people who are suffering until they will realize what these parts of Jammu and Kashmir have in store for them. This place will rise to supremacy globally. Problems can be resolved, curses can be cured and be reversed, but who is willing to do that? Ano Bhadra Kratvo Yantu Vishwata. Awake and arise till the goal is attained is a famous saying from Upanishads. Minaz zulmati illa noor. Let darkness vanish and light emerge. This is from Hadith. Earned destiny needs to be reshaped. Who earned darkness for these calm and beautiful places? Heaven on earth, as rightly someone said. Agar barruye zameen asto, hami asto, hami ast. Meaning, if there is heaven on earth anywhere, it is here, and here. Since past more than 1,000 years, many occult practitioners tried to control Kashmir, rather tried to capture Kashmir with their evil spells. For this is a land of enormous Shakti, the energy, but all fail, and most recently they are defeated and decimated on all the fronts. Darkness is leaving the sacred soil that is Kashmir. India as a whole thus will rise as a superpower to rule but not to grab lands. India will share all good things and spread the message of oneness. World as one family is obviously the message from India. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Entire Kashmir is a Mahayantra which is being tied into this, made by greatest of rishis, saints. So to break its formation, even gods can't intervene, for this is God's sacred Shila and soil. Chakreshwar is a living entity holding the entire globe of today. Chakreshwar. Thank you for watching this video. Be good to all.